Hi. There's sis.
Hi. Hi, baby brother.
Hi.
There's hubby.
Yeah.
Hi,
Hello,
me.
little sis.
Hello. Welcome to my channel, or whichever channel it is. Probably mine. Got sis staying, which I don't mind. Enjoy our staying. We've been getting on great, as we always do, don't we?
Yeah. Even though I've only been back home for a month, yeah.
Yeah.
But then again, it's not my baby brother's fault if he needs me.
True. There's Lee there. You wanted to go for a walk, so we decided to come for a walk, didn't you?
Yeah, he's got to clean the down.
Could you do that fresh air exercise?
Huh?
Could you do a fresh air exercise?
Yeah. Because apparently COVID's ripe again, and I'm not risking him out and about too much, because I don't want to repeat 2020. So I'm trying to prevent that from happening. He will be doing a video on his channel later today, so keep a look out for that, the Lee Gibson channel. Keep a look out for my sister's channel, the Crazy Mad Family 2022 channel.
The Crazy Mad Family Channel 2022.
That's the one. Just changed how many times I can't keep up.
No, it's always been the family one, the Crazy Mad Family Channel 2022.
Next year will be 2023. I mean 2024.
Well, it says 2022, but it's actually 2023, but it keeps coming up as 2022.
Hmm.
Taking your glasses off right at the end.
You alright there, Lee?
Yep. Well, let's go walking each other, Puff.
You alright, little brother?
I know.
You alright, baby brother?
Yeah.
Good.
Pardon me.
Everybody's in a puzzle, pretty good.
I've just had a cup of tea made by him.
So, at least you must make it.
And the paths are quite thin, as you can see. They're not very wide.
And all cracked.
And they're all cracked and they can't see very well, so as long as he watches where I'm walking, he'll be fine.
Yeah, it's not his fault, it's part of his condition.
But he's going to get sorted. He's got consultation on Thursday for your eyes, haven't you, Lee?
Can you move what you
Yep.
Yep.
We'll see what we'll do from there. Alright, sis.
Hi.
Yeah, we're having a really good time. Having a laugh. That's true.
Yeah, left one, right?
Huh?
Yeah, like that one, didn't it?
You are?
Yeah, left one, didn't it?
Oh no. Actually, it was the night before you went to the hospital.
Didn't
It wasn't. It was Thursday night.
What Thursday is?
When you went daft, it was a Thursday night.
Yeah, it was a Thursday night.
And what Thursday night you like that?
If you wonder what I mean by hospital, like I say, if you go on Lee's channel later on, he will do a video once he's had some tea and get the end job to do it, won't you, Lee? To tell you all about what's going on. It's just an assessment for his condition, but I'll let him tell you on his channel. Yeah, he had an annual checkup which he gets every year, but keep a look out for his channel, Lee Gibson. And if you want to know what's been going on, then go to his channel and watch his video when he does one later.
We probably did after his dinner.
It'll be after his dinner when we've had a walk around the park. He just wants a bit of fresh air.
And you do exercise as well.
Hmm?
You do exercise as well.
Yeah, and the exercise is doing him good. And me. Whoops, I lost my balance there. I'm off balance today.
I'm always off balance now. That's taking me a bit.
Yeah. We are now in autumn, sadly.
Walking through in winter, yeah.
We'll be in winter shortly. And Michael, if you watch this, I love you very much.
Yeah,
I will miss you.
Michael.
We love you, darling.
We do.
And your dad's okay. Because I know he worries about his dad when he mentioned the word hospital. So I had to reassure him.
I'm okay.
So I had to reassure our son that his dad's okay.
My girl, you see, I'm fine. Okay, I'm okay.
Yeah.
Right.
And your auntie's fine as well there.
Is there another left?
Yeah. And if this rain gets any worse, we'll be heading back.
Yeah.
Because it's starting to drizzle.
It's starting to get heavy.
Yeah.
Maybe just now.
So it might not be a full round park today. I'll just bring you down a bit because there's people walking past. Oh, they are so cute.
Yeah, I think the doggies.
Yeah. The doggies are so cute in the background there.
What?
I love the doggies in the background there. Which way we're going?
The rain goes that way, then curve the park home.
Because this rain's starting to get a bit heavy now.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, we'll go this way. We'll try again tomorrow, guys. It's just a little walk. At least he's fresh air. Because it's starting to rain and I can't get him a cold. I've got to be careful. I've got to be careful with him. So sadly, it's just a little walk.
Yeah, and I've got to be careful as well.
So because my phone is getting wet as we speak. Well, it seemed like a good idea to come out, but at least we'll come out for a bit of fresh air.
I feel like trying to get in work stuff in.
Yeah, well, what do you expect? It's autumn, we're not going to get many nice days now.
I said, if
Yeah, that's a big if.
not, I'd go for a walk.
Yeah. Now you can pay something down like you do when you first came out of hospital.
Yeah.
Door to door. God almighty. Now the wind's picking up. I know what you're thinking, guys. Why don't you fasten your coat? Because it's too warm, you know it's windy. It's a warm wind. I'll overheat. So it's a short walk. Because I've got to think of my husband and also my sister. And me. I can't afford to get cold. Oh well. At least it's out. At least we'll go and have a little walk anyway. You know what, really? Could have held off for a bit longer, you bastard.
Yeah, it's really coming down as we look at the trees.
Yeah. It is coming down. So on that note, I'm going to go because I can't see out the glasses. Because my glasses are actually wet. So I'm going to cut it short. So thanks for watching, guys. And I'll see you soon. Bye.